The beginning of May, we went to Van Fest USA in Hurricane, Utah, our first van event with our Promaster.
Yeah, and just to clarify, it's Hurricane. I think it's almost like one syllable in Utah. It's Hurricane.
We're Rich and Robin.
And this is our midlife van.
Prior to Van Fest, we explored some of the area in southwestern Utah. We found a great dispersed camping spot in the Pine Valley National Forest. Our first adventure of the trip was to hike the Kanarra Creek Trail. The Kanarra Creek Trail is a moderate 5-mile out-and-back hike through a canyon with multiple small waterfalls. The Kanarra Creek Trail is limited to 150 people a day. You will need to purchase a permit ahead of time as they sell out quickly. The price of the permit is $12 a person. Here we go. You did it!
Rope.
My feet feel a little colder up here.
While we were in the area of Zion National Park, we decided to explore Kolob Canyon on the west side of the park. We drove the short 5-mile scenic drive to the overlook and hiked the South Fork Taylor Creek Trail. The day before VanFest started, we met up with some new friends and biked up the scenic Zion Canyon Road to hike the Emerald Pools Trail. After the hike, we showed our friends one of our favorite boondocking sites along the North Creek outside Zion. VanFest was such an amazing event. We got to meet some of our online friends in person for the first time, and we got to connect with a lot of new friends as well. And we started planning future travels with our new friends. We are so thankful we were able to showcase our van at VanFest. It was great talking to everyone that stopped by to see our van.
The best part of VanFest was being able to connect and meet with people that we might have been following on Instagram. So be able to see them face to face, and then be able to share our builds, and then kind of talk about what they're doing next, and hopefully we can connect with them later on this year.
He took my hand, dreaming Yes.
And how was it?
VanFest USA.
VanFest USA.
It was a blast. We think, 150 vans and maybe schoolies, or maybe 150 vans. And unfortunately, we didn't get to see them all.
We didn't have time to see them all. It went really fast. The entertainment was great.
Yes.
We had a great
Tons of
time.
people coming in to check out vans with ideas and wanting to find ideas. And then the best part was connecting with all the other van people. And so just all the people that we've been seeing on Instagram, and they've been following us, to be able to actually have that physical connection was amazing. It's really cool. Very cool.
Now headed home. Got to clean up this mess.
What a mess.
And then head out again to meet up with some new van friends in a couple weeks.
Yep.